Genesis shifts gears. Magma sub-brand to drive luxury performance push Genesis, Hyundai's luxury division, is embarking on a strategic shift toward high-performance vehicles, anchored by the launch of its new Magma sub-brand and an aggressive expansion into motorsport. The move signals a decade-long plan to elevate Genesis from a premium competitor to a true luxury powerhouse. The next decade, luxury meets performance. At a recent 10th anniversary event, Genesis executives outlined a vision where sporting models will complement its existing luxury offerings. This repositioning isn't merely aesthetic, it's a fundamental change in how the brand will approach development and marketing. The Magma sub-brand is central to this strategy, with high-performance versions planned for every Genesis model, beginning with the GV60 Magma. Magma, a halo effect. The Magma GT concept will serve as a flagship halo vehicle, previewing the brand's future direction. This move is a calculated effort to build brand recognition and credibility in the high-performance segment. The introduction of Magma variants across the entire lineup by 2034 is designed to transform Genesis into a full-fledged luxury performance marque. Rapid growth. Genesis's impressive trajectory. Genesis has already demonstrated impressive growth, achieving 1 million global sales faster than any other luxury brand in history. Hyundai and Genesis boss Jose Munoz highlighted this milestone, stating that the next decade will be even more significant. The brand has sold approximately 1.3 million vehicles to date, outpacing Tesla and Lexus in speed of growth. Expansion goals. Europe and beyond, with current annual sales around 225,000 units, Genesis aims to increase output by 55% to 350,000 by 2030. A key part of this plan is aggressive expansion into new markets, particularly in Europe. The company is targeting a 650% growth in European sales within 5 years, fueled by a revamped strategy that includes new products, technologies, and distribution networks. The strategy, technology, and new markets. Munoz emphasized that Genesis's growth will rely on a straightforward but effective approach, introducing advanced technologies and penetrating new markets. The company's objective is clear: to establish itself as a leading force in the global luxury automotive landscape. Genesis's Magma strategy is a calculated move to redefine its identity and accelerate growth in the competitive luxury market. By doubling down on performance, the brand hopes to attract a broader customer base and solidify its position as a disruptor in the industry.